What if I told you that you are already succeeding right now? Whether you feel stuck, confident, or completely lost, you're succeeding. The real question is, what are you succeeding at? Because success is not optional. It's happening in every moment of your life, even if you don't realize it. Most of us believe that success is something outside of ourselves. Money, fame, recognition, a big achievement. But here's the truth. Success is much simpler and much more powerful than that. Success is the reality you're creating through your focus. Every thought you repeat in your head, every belief you hold about yourself, every emotion you feed, that's what shapes your life. And everyone who succeeds at money, fame, recognition, or big accomplishments does so because of their focus. If someone keeps telling themselves, I'm not confident, then guess what? They succeeded at creating a life that reflects that lack of confidence. But what if they affirmed, I am capable of great things? They succeed in creating opportunities. Everyone succeeds. It just depends on what you focus on the most. And it doesn't matter if it's positive or negative. That being said, flip it around. Focus on, I am capable, and you'll start showing up differently, talking differently, taking action, recognizing and seizing opportunities where you didn't see opportunities before. And over time, your reality begins to reflect your confidence. Do you see the pattern? Everyone succeeds because success is simply the result of what you focus on the most. Positive or negative, it does not matter. The universe is neutral and will reflect back to you whatever you focus on the most. So be careful what you ask for. So if success is inevitable, the only question left is, what are you choosing to focus on? What are you choosing to succeed at? Something positive or something negative? If this resonates with you, I go much deeper in my book, The Human User Manual. And if you want direct personal mental training, my coaching program, Path of the Warrior Spirit, will guide you step by step to consciously succeed in all areas of your life by training you to focus on what you want in your life, not on what you want to avoid. Because what you focus on the most is exactly what you will create in your life.